All right, got the straps off. Undid the vent. Now, will it drain? Look at that. Will it drain? Whoops, hold on. Will it drain? I'm gonna have to go ahead and say no. Let's hook it up to the pump. Hang on. All right. I've not seen one like that. Oh. It's actually not bad. I mean, yeah, all right. Will it drain? This will help it right here. There we go. Still going, man. Dang. I had to move all this stuff out of the damn way. I couldn't get the water heater. It was all right here. Couldn't get it past. The 1980 Sea-Doo just wouldn't allow it. So there was a piece of wood behind this, and you can't use combustible material behind a water heater. So just gonna put a little unistrut right there, and then it should line up perfectly up here because this is the exact same depth as that piece of wood, so it should work perfectly. We'll just put it right here. Little unislur strut. 2 washers. These are actually the concrete anchors from Ferguson. They work good in all situations, dude. These are my favorite hangers. I use them for everything. But that's good. This will replace that piece of wood. And yeah, all right. Let's install this. All right. Just gotta tighten these up. I had to use my belt to get it up here. Use the old belt trick. We're almost done here. All right, I had to do what I hate more than anything, is I had to go back to the supply house to get some B vent. I mean, this isn't, look how low this is. I mean, this is not vented properly, but I mean, what are you gonna do? Got this furnace here, and it is what it is, you know? I just put on the invoice, you know? It's not vented properly, so let me pipe this up, vent it up, and this is single wall too. Whatever. Definitely not up to code, but what are you gonna do? That's how it was. What is he gonna replace the whole thing? You know. All I do in situations like this, it actually has a little bit of pitch. I think it'll be all right in that aspect. But I write on the invoice, vent not up to code. And then they sign off, and that's it. I mean, sometimes a lot of people don't care. They just want it working, and that's it, you know. ran out of copper. It's a little high, but it's all good.